Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I really have absolutely no idea what's in here. There's not much information on the front, so we're going to find out. As per usual, if it's something I can link, there will be links for it right down in the description so that you can check it out for yourself. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Let's see here. This is one of those boxes that opens. I think this just comes out from the side. Or no, it comes from okay. Sorry. My shipping information is on the front, so I have to make cuts off camera. Sorry, one sec. Just look at the beautiful vinyl upholstery. Fake carbon fiber background. That's what that is. You can get it on Amazon. Did you know that? Oh, we have a Microtech pouch. Oh, good. There's a note in here. Wonderful. Hey, Metal Complex. My name is Daniel. I'm a longtime fan. No need to shout out my social. Enjoy reviewing the... Oh, yes. Ah, good. Thank you. So what do we have here? Well, that's the thing from the front. Okay. And this is the... Is this... Yeah. This is a Cypher from 2016. Ooh. I have never handled this. I have never handled one of these. This is cool. Let's take a look at the texturing, kind of that topographical map texturing here. We have the tri-wing screws. Again, remember, 2016. A lot of people say, why do you look at knives from the past? Why don't you just show us stuff that we can buy? Because I'm not the Home Shopping Network. I'm a knife enthusiast channel. I like to look at stuff, whether you can buy it or not, right? It would be kind of weird if every last thing that I showed was something that you could always buy. My intention, right? It might look a little bit funny with my intentions, right? So no, I'm a knife enthusiast. So periodically, right? Some of my content, remember I upload literally 14 times a week. That's real. I've been doing that for quite a while. Some of my content will feature stuff that is from the past. That is just interesting. This has a very... It takes a lot of force to get it to come back down. I think that's actually more force coming back down and going forward than I have experienced on most Microtech knives. The blade is very interesting. I don't know if that's been resharpened or not. I think that's hollow ground. We have a very high polish on that on that hollow ground blade right there, or that tumbled finish there. Then we have a little fuller, and then there's like a fuller within the fuller with 3 little dots. What's the blade steel? I have no idea. I don't know if it's, well, does it say right here? Let's take a look. Cypher, September of 2016, serial 004, patent pending. Milled clip. Is that a little titanium? I don't know if we want to call that a glass breaker, right? What the heck? Is this a titanium pocket clip? Yeah, I think so. Cool. Pretty comfortable. Actually, that pocket clip is the most comfortable thing I have ever felt to come out of Microtech. All of their other clips are kind of like, yikes, right? Plenty of power, really nice looking. I don't know how I feel about the texturing, but that's going to be a preference thing. And then, yeah, pretty functional blade shape. So this is an old, my understanding that this is a custom, right? This is an old, pretty unavailable Microtech knife, right? I mean, I'm sure you can hunt one down on the secondary market if you really want to. The action is very tight. It takes quite a bit of force. Oh, man. Quite a bit of force, especially to pull it down. This is one of those where, if you ever handed a Microtech knife off to a friend, and they go like this. It's not because they're not strong enough usually. It's because they're pushing more down than starting here and pushing forward. Even if they can get it to deploy, they go, and then they end up doing this, right? Because they can't get it. And it's not necessarily a strength thing. It's just a point of leverage thing where you need to get the right amount of traction from the right angle. And if you have a bunch of Microtech knives or OTF knives and you play with them a bunch, then you have that figured out, right? But as somebody who does that regularly, I can tell you, oh man, this thing is tight. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's nice to have an opportunity to look at this. This is not mine. I don't get to keep it. It'll go back to the gentleman who loaned it to me after I'm done with it. This is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impression, so you will get the full review after I've had some time to kind of check this thing out and learn about it a few weeks down the road. Thanks again to the gentleman who loaned this to me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.